Sir, what about Senator Robin Padilla? Bakit hindi po siya kasama dun sa subpoena or hinihingan po na explanation? Kasi may mga interviews na po na inamin niya na yung vehicle po ay ginamit at binabalang daw niya sa Makati si Senator De La Rosa. Hindi naman daw siya tumulong allegedly sa pag-escape.
Exactly. Kayo na rin po ang nagsabi kung bakit hindi na namin siya tinatanong. Ang dami niya na hong inamin na ginawa niya.
Meaning, sir, he will be liable for...
Meaning, our panel of prosecutors will study everything. Will study everything that based on these admissions, based on this factual milieu or factual circumstances, can we lead to a conclusion that he or a person is probably guilty of a particular crime. Hindi naman po lagi kailangan tatanungin pa. Dahil may mga bagay ho, factual na eh.
Sir, in the interest of, baka kasi sabihin po ni Senator Padilla na hindi po siya tinanong ng DOJ, would the DOJ be open if he reaches out to provide an explanation?
Well, the Department of Justice would always be open, not only to victims or Filipinos seeking redress of their grievances. We are also open to anyone who will bring in or put forward facts and information that will help us fulfill our mandate. Tandaan niyo, ang mandato ng Department of Justice, ipakulong yung dapat ipakulong at i-exonerate yung wala namang kasalanan. Pero ang basihan lang natin lahat, datos at facts. Diba?